So this is the gas that was in the tank. Looks like varnish now. There's still a bit more in there. But yeah, I've just been draining it here from the on and off tap. It was seized, but I got it unstuck. But yeah, I'm just putting it in here because it fits perfect to collect it, but then I'm pouring it out, disposing of it. But yeah, that's pretty nasty stuff. Okay, so I just drained all that fuel out there and took that fuel line off with the fuel filter on it. Here's the pipe. Probably gonna have to replace this pipe here. It looks pretty old, but I'm gonna see if it will hold the gas while I test trying to first start this tractor up. But yeah, here's the old and the new filter. That one's been on there for quite a while. It's a Fram G2. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this new one on there and hope those rubber bits hold the gas and doesn't leak. So here we go. Yep, so another update here. I took the carb off this one and it's pretty short inside there. The gaskets are done, so I ordered another one already. Just a Chinese one off Amazon. Hopefully it will do the trick, but yeah, I just put this one all back together. I might maybe just try and turn it over and see if it fires with it. I don't know. It's probably not good to do that, but I want to get somewhere today, so yeah, that's what I've done so far. And I'm just now gonna change the spark plugs, and probably not the leads for now. I'll just see if we got spark, and then I just want to get it fired and see where we're at.